Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Quant, we are trading at $178.85. 24-hour volume, we're up 11%, and market cap, we're up 2.38% with a high of 184. So we are on track again of continuously making a lot of higher peaks here. We did have a short period where we retested our 20 moving average, but we held really nicely here. And basically, Quant is a giant coming up to, as high as 180. And we are going to continue on and hoping to retest 161 here, especially from the last candle here of high of 184. So even though the momentum here is showing in red, normally whenever we see this, we are most likely going to consolidate sideways. We do ultimately want to make sure we're holding on to 61% of our fib if we do see that pullback coming down and see that selling pressure. But so far, so long, it's pretty good. If we take a look at our supply and demand zone here, we do ultimately either want to bounce off really nicely from this little tip here at $175 to continue on with this strong uptrend, or stay within the 172 and 175 before we do retest to 61% of our fib. So let's head over to our 4-hour time frame, because now we're in this uptrend corridor chart pattern itself. And again, normally in these ones, we are going to continue to come up and retest key areas of resistance here. So already we can see this peak here as high as 184 at 61% of our fib. But notice again a few areas of resistance already at 61% of our fib. We do see, however, a rejection of our 50 MA, and we did see that we closed below our 20 moving average. So we are going to continuously see that pullback that's continuously shown in these selling corrections here. So we can see coming down into an area of support, resistance, our pullbacks coming up to resistance, and then our pullbacks once again. So we are at the very tippy top of our candlestick pad or candlestick formation up here on our 4-hour time frame. We're going to flip over to a 2-hour time frame to kind of see the general look of what it looks like on the chart pattern or on the chart itself. So we have the beautiful candlestick body matching the previous one in hopes to see this as a reversal sign. Here is our peaks of our trend lines at the very top here. More activity at the area of our support here, but really held on strong, especially with this inverted hammer candlestick at the very bottom here, holding on to support on our 20 moving average. We can see that the 50 moving average is here. We closed above it, which again is nice here on a 2-hour time frame. It is going to trigger a possible buying opportunity here. Just wait in the next couple of hours or so to see that, and a possible retest of $180 for the 2-hour time frame. So now that we know that there was a reversal pattern in this 4-hour time frame, again, we are hoping to come up and retest the 180 of the 50%. Now, what we can see already is in this candlestick, we've already accomplished 50% of the previous candlestick. If we can be able to maintain this and push it a little higher, roughly around 179 before this time frame does close, then realistically, we are going to close above the 180. So that's kind of where I'm seeing Quant right now. It's a really nice, correction that we did, a nice correction that we did here. Didn't follow too shallow of that correction and moving further away from the 20 moving average, which is going to work in our favor so long as the momentum of the MACD line stays above the 0%. We are going to be in a huge bull run and possibly breaking out in our all-time high here. So that's my video on Quant. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe as well, but I'll see you next time.